Hello everybody, Min here. Welcome back to Your All's Fitness. Today we're going to go over the leg kick, my personal favorite kick. I ended up throwing like 60 of them in my last fight. They're more or less the only strikes I threw too, but they're incredibly useful and they work in a lot of different ranges. So let's break it down. First things first, when you throw a low kick, you don't want to throw it straight in front of the bag or your partner, okay? So if you guys were my partner, I don't want to be staring straight at you. When I do my low kick, I'm going to push off my right leg, step off at an angle, so my whole body is off the center line, and my leg is facing where you guys are, right over here. This is going to align my low kick for maximum damage, but also for maximum safety. Most punches come straight down what we call the center line. That's where I am right now. Look at you. Hi, everyone. I want to make sure I'm off that line first before I throw that kick. Now, when we throw the low kick, we don't want to land with our feet, because sometimes you'll hit some knees or some really, really hard bones. You're going to hurt yourself really badly. So when you throw your low kick, make sure you're landing with the instep or the shin. All right? There's a few ways to throw it too. Sometimes you just got to probe with it. So I'll just step out and I'll just touch. Just bringing my shin to my target. And this is to get a read. Once you get the read and you're just done, you got the touchdown, you can feel them out, you're going to sink it in. The way we sink it in is by actually going through a big arc with our legs. So I'm going to step off the line. My hips are going to go first. My legs are behind me. And I drop down on the target, okay? Down on the target. Think about a person's leg. You want to hit them downwards right here, okay? So I'm going to take that step off the line. Chop down. Step off the line. Hips go first. Heels to your butt. Chop down. Chop down. This is particularly useful for thigh kicks. If you're going for the calf, you're not going to chop down as hard. That's going to be a little bit different. You can also go on the inside. With this one, you may need to switch your leg or do a little pendulum step to get there. So I'm going to do the pendulum step version where I'm just going to bring my right foot in and then my left foot is going to go into the kick. Like so. Okay? You can also switch left foot back, right foot forward. You're going to go off the line this way now. Just like so. Thank you all so much for watching. See you next time.